On a contract that is configured to use eSignature, you can decide how you would like the signature block fields to be placed. On the eSignature screen of the contract, under Settings, you can click Edit to change the default value. This default is coming in from one of two places, either the organization level setting or the workgroup level setting, both of which are configured by administrators. You can override the setting here, but for this video, we'll leave it as it is and learn how to place the signature block fields manually. Once the signers have been added and all approvals are complete, the contract will move to a pending signature status. Choose Launch eSignature from the Contract Actions dropdown. This will launch DocuSign and open the first page of the contract. Be aware that Contracts Plus also integrates with Adobe Sign, even though our demonstration today is performed with DocuSign. The process for manual placement of signature blocks is very similar for Adobe Sign, but if you need assistance, please see the Contracts Plus handbook or online searchable help for the specific differences. Once the eSignature provider is launched, select which participant you are going to add a placeholder for. The signers who were named on the contract will be available to select here. Then, from the left menu, drag and drop signature placeholders for that signer into the desired position on the contract. The placeholder selected will only apply to the participant that is selected, so repeat the process for each signer. To adjust placeholder settings, you can use options in the right menu. For example, you can select multiple placeholders and then use the alignment icon to align them on the page. When all eSignature fields are in place, click the Send button. If the contract is using a sequential signing order, the contract will be sent via email to the first signer on the list. If the contract is using a parallel signing order, it will be sent to all individuals selected as signers on the contract. The signer status on the eSignature page will display as sent when the contract has been sent to them, and the contract status will indicate out for signature. The individuals selected as signers in the eSignature screen will receive an email asking them to approve the contract via electronic signature. This user does not need DocuSign credentials in order to view and sign the document. As each signer completes eSignature, the status for each signer is displayed as completed. Clicking the information icon next to each signer will show when the document was sent, viewed, and signed. After all parties have signed, the eSignature provider will bring the fully executed, signed copy of the contract back into Contracts Plus and complete workflow. This will move the contract into executed status automatically.